How to share drive link on WhatsApp. So if you want to share a particular Google Drive document link or Google Drive photo link on WhatsApp, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the Google Drive app. So you can just search for it on your phone. So this could be on Android and it could be on iPhone. Now once you're on the Drive page, here you have access to shared, start, home, and files. So if you click on home, maybe take into your Google Drive home, then if you select start, then this is going to be your favorite Google Drive documents. You can also click on shared, where you can easily share the document or document someone shared with you or you share with others. Then click on files to have access to all your files on your Google Drive. So this includes photos and documents. You see that? Now, to share drive link on WhatsApp, all you just need to do is locate the file or document you want to share its link on WhatsApp and click on the three dots on it. Then once you click on the three dots, you can either copy the link straight and then paste it on WhatsApp message, or go ahead and click on share. Then you need to add the group here. However, for easy access without connecting to Google Drive on the third party's end, all you just need to do is click on these three dots, then come down here and click on copy. Then you should see link copy to clipboard. Then you can now go to your WhatsApp, unlock it, then locate the contact you want to send the drive link, click on it, and then paste the link. Allow, then send. You see that? So this is a Google Drive link, just like this. Alternatively, if you don't want to copy and paste the link, once you selected the three dots on the files you want to share, then scroll down and click on send a copy. Now, once you click on send a copy, then scroll through the options available here. Now I want to select WhatsApp. Then you should see preparing to export. And once the preparation is completed, just scroll down and locate the contact you want to send to on your WhatsApp account and click on next. Then you should see it just like this, then send it. Then it's going to send it to this account in form of files instead of sending it in form of a link. So that is the two ways you can use to send or share drive link on WhatsApp. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.